welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Honestly, every time I say that intro, I cannot believe how far each day I keep on getting. Like, I thought I would have quit right now. But now I have like this urge, like I need to upload a vlog every single day. If I don't, I feel like I'm gonna fail you all. So here we are. Today we're going to do a nighttime routine. So this is not my usual nighttime routine, but this will be the nighttime routine just for y'all because y'all are special and I want to take care of my skin. I've been putting on a lot of makeup recently, so just want to make sure my pores aren't clogged because they get clogged a lot. So my bathroom is not as cute and as aesthetic as like other people's bathrooms, I guess, that do like night routines, but we're gonna roll with it. My mom has this really cute pink curtain and it matches like everything pink except for my skincare bag, but that's okay. So since I have makeup, I'm gonna start off my skincare routine with taking my makeup off. So I use this Vlogmas Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I got this on my one of my Ipsy bags, and bro, I'm gonna tell ya, this is amazing. I love using this, and I usually don't like using cleansing balms. I usually use makeup wipes, but make an exception for this one. So I just take some on my finger like that, and then just put a little bit of water, and then run it on my face like that. And it takes off my makeup. And look, and then with one wash, it's gonna go away. See, like the lower part of my face doesn't have any makeup on it anymore. Perfect. Now that I look crazy and there's mascara running down everywhere, I like to take toilet paper and clean my eyes and just like dry my face with it. I use toilet paper because it's convenient to me. I probably shouldn't use it, but yeah, that's what I have. So okay, so now that I'm makeup free, I'm gonna wash my face. So to wash my face, I use the Fenty Skin Cleanser. It's amazing. I've used it for a while now. I am running out of it, but this is the cleanser I've been using for the longest time. And it's so cool. If you saw my Vogue video, you know, like it like turns like that. But I'm running out, so I gotta get more. And then you're supposed to cleanse for a minute. I saw this on TikTok. I did not know you're supposed to cleanse for a minute, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I don't know if that's been a minute, but it feels like a minute. So I'm just gonna wash it off. Then once again, dry with toilet paper. Now that my face is dry, I'm gonna use this Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask 2 times. And I really like this mud mask. Mud mask ready. It doesn't say any specific time to leave it on for, so I'm just gonna leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes. This mask, like, it doesn't really clamp up like other like mud masks do, so it's like very nice and refreshing on your skin, especially if you have dry skin. So now we wait 10 to 15 minutes, and I usually watch Gilmore Girls or read a book while I'm doing that, so let's wait those minutes. Back in the bathroom. So let's take this off. So you see how I said it doesn't get like crumpy? It's like still soft. It feels, your skin does feel tight, but it's still like soft, you know? I never know how to take this off properly. I always end up with freaking mud mask behind my ear or something. I don't know, always, doesn't fail. So for moisturizer, I'm obsessed with the Laneige Water Bank. It's absolutely perfect. I freaking love it. So I typically don't put on serum. I only put it on when I'm doing the gua sha, which I'm gonna do now. But I like to put on serum because the gua sha, you know, it needs to be on like a smooth surface, and if my face doesn't have anything to go on, it smells so good. Oh, by the way, this is the Innisfree green tea seed hyaluronic acid serum. It smells super good. Always apply it upward because you don't want your face to sag. I learned that from Hilary Duff. I saw this on TikTok and it was super easy, super quick. So you go 10 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 behind the ear, in front of the ear. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in your nose, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not in your nose, on the outside of your nose. And then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You do the same thing on the other side. And I'm done. That's super quick and easy, so I recommend doing that every day. I don't tend to do it every day because I tend to feel lazy. Even though it literally doesn't take that long, I still feel lazy whenever I go to do it, if that makes any sense. I don't know why. Last up in the skincare, I got this at TJ Maxx, some gold snail eye patches. And it's so cool when you open it. So the other day, like 2 days ago, I went to put this on and it accidentally fell in this same bathroom floor. And like half of my eye patches fell out. So I only have this left. There was a lot and there's still a lot. This will last me a long time. But basically you just grab it with the little thingy so you don't accidentally get 2 or 3 more. So I got one. I just add it to my eye. Do the same thing for the other eye. And boom. So I leave this on for 15 minutes too, or until I just feel like taking it out. Now let's get my hair ready for bed because I'm not going to bed in this tight ponytail. Even though my curls look so cute and bouncy and my little bow. But let's take out this ball. Bye bow. And then I just loosen up the ponytail. I just put my hair like up in a loose bun. So I just go like this. Actually, I want my curls to like look like this tomorrow too. So I'm gonna try to not let it like mess up. So I'm just gonna go like this. And then just slide this in there. And that's it. Loose little bun, so this doesn't hurt because it's like when it's tight, like it hurts a bit. And yeah, that is my nighttime routine. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you have like any, then this is falling. If you have any skincare routine tips that you would like to share, please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear what your skin routine looks like. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 12. Bye!